So now in this lesson, we'll learn how we can bring an existing model from Sketchfab and place it inside. So we will download like an audio cassette player and we will put it here. So let's go to the Sketchfab. So here is the Sketchfab. Okay, and I will download an audio cassette here. And I will make sure I have the downloaded option on. So let's see which looks good here. Okay, I like this one. So this one is also good. This one is good too. So I think I will go with this. I will click on it and it will load. And then down here, I will go to the download option. Okay, where is the download option? I will go to the download option here. I will use the USDZ. Okay, and then I will save it inside my folder wherever I want. Okay, and I think I will go to this folder, ref, download it. It is already downloaded, and now I can go back to my Blender. Okay, so now I will go to the import and USD. I will select the ref, the music cassette that we brought in. Okay, now what I'm going to do here is that first of all, let's dissect what do we have here. Okay, so these are the parts that we have. So I will select these parts, right click, join them together so it will become one. Okay, and then I will move this outside and put this in the Walkman and delete this whole thing from here. Okay, now this will be gone, but I think it's just the issue of the size. So if I select this, press S on the keyboard, yeah, this is the size issue. So what I'm going to do is that I will just keep this and the Walkman base and then Control I and H to hide everything. Just this one, I will keep it on my screen so I know what's going on here. RZ90, no, I think R, Y, and 90. Yeah, but this should be minus 90. RY minus 90. So yeah, that's fine. So I will just move this up here somewhere back. Okay, S small. And then top cover, I will just unhide it. Move this a little bit forward because I don't want it to be too much behind. S to scale it a little bit more. Like a realistic size. Okay. So this should be fine. And what if we go here to see how's everything? Yeah, everything is fine. Go back here and rename this to audio cassette. And then Alt H to unhide everything. This is how it will look like. If I hide this, it will look like this because there will be a glass over it. I think it's too much at the end, so it should be somewhere here. There shouldn't be much of a gap. Okay, so I think this should be fine. Little back. Yep, that's fine. Then Alt H to bring everything back here and save this up. So now in next class, we'll learn how we can make it Substance 3D Painter ready, and we'll work on that.